everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a fabulous day. So today we're opening up Weave Tassy. So here is the box it comes in. And I believe this is the third time I've gotten this box. It's been a couple of months, but Weave Tassy is a bracelet subscription. It actually comes from the Philippines, which is super cool. So each month, I believe it's $18 and free shipping worldwide, and you get 3 handcrafted bracelets that have a value of around $45. I do have a promo code. I believe it saves you around $2. I'm going to leave the link down below along with the promo code and the pricing information and all that. So I'm pretty sure I'm right on this information, but just in case, I'll be down there, and I always like to leave that information there as well anyways. But I'm super excited to see what we receive this month. A lot of times the bracelets you can get, you can like switch up and wear with other stacks you got. So they call them stacks, like it's a stack of 3 bracelets that you can either wear separate or all together, and you can mix and match with other bracelets you received in the past as well. So it's super cute. I actually think I got something, or I saw someone get something by Weave Tassy in a different subscription box. I was really excited. I'm like, I got their box. So again, here's what it looks like. Let's get unboxing and see what we got. I like that they send them in this smaller box, because like sometimes you might just get a couple things from a subscription, which is fine, but they put it in a huge box or something like that, so it's definitely more economical. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. It looks like there's like some washi tape or something extra in there. So cute. It's really thin too. I don't have any washi tape like this. Oh, and it has like gold little polka dots on it. Did you see that? Super cute. I can't tell on the viewfinder. And then that's what it looks like underneath. So they have little cards here. Tassy box. Oh, I like their logo. I like with the moon. I wonder if that's a theme or it always looks like that. Super cute. So there's little notes in the back. I love that the paper is like itty bitty mini. So cute. It says, hi there, your Tassy box is finally here. Thank you for joining the team. Don't forget to tag us at Weave Tassy Co. and Weave Tassys when you show off your Tassys. Cool. And then, oh, so it's the theme this month. Cool. September's stack is moon. You get pink, blue, and peach with a touch of gold, like the colors of spring, classy, and bold. So that is what I'm reading from right there. Isn't that such a cute little card? Now on the back it gives information about the 3 bracelets inside. And again, it says handmade in the Philippines. So the bracelets are wrapped up, so let me get this open. Ooh, I like this one. Usually they like have a brown band, but they're black. So here's a quick glance at them. Let's go one by one though. These are so pretty. Here, I'll actually stack them together and show you them a little bit better. This might be my favorite one. These are like the most wearable for me personally. I love these colors. So I'll show you one by one in a moment. Let's start with, how about the glass bead one? I guess this is a new style for them. And those are the beads there, and all of them are adjustable. I believe when they first contacted me and started sending me the box, I did give them my measurements, but it's like a drawstring, which I really like these types of bracelet closures, because if you're like me and you live alone, or like you're single, don't have a roommate, sometimes putting on jewelry, specifically bracelets, is super difficult, so they make them easy to put on. I will actually put it on right now. So you just get it on, and then you just use these little strings to tighten it. Super easy. I did that in real time, no editing or anything like that, but again, this is a glass bead bracelet. It says adjustable bracelet made with faceted black and copper stripe check glass beads. These are really pretty. Can you see? Awesome. And then it looks like I got 2 of the same here, but that's okay. So I guess one was supposed to have a moon charm bracelet, but these 2 here are the 2-tone thread bracelets. So you can see that they're the same. I really like the colors. So I guess there's supposed to be one different. So the 2-tone thread bracelet just says adjustable thread wrap bracelet, And they were supposed to be a moon charm bracelet that's an adjustable bracelet made with glass beads and a rose gold moon charm. That sounds really pretty because I have been getting into like astrology. Well, I guess I've always been kind of like interested in it. I'm not like some diehard person, but I just like love the whole like lunar thing. I love moons, stars, all of that. So here are the bracelets on. Again, two of them are the same, so I think they're just like a packing mistake. The other one was supposed to be the moon charm bracelet, but I think these are really cute. I honestly like these a lot. I love the colors of them. So yeah. So again, this is what I was reading from. This September stacked moon. So yeah, and we got a little extra this month, this little tape, which is really cute. I think they actually used some to like close the tissue paper and wrap it all nicely. But yeah, so that was the Tassy box for September. You get 3 handmade bracelets from the Philippines for about $18 a month with free shipping. But if you use my code, I believe you save $2. So that will all be down below. But anyways, thank you guys for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.